Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue sales invoice with a discount on Bokio accounting software. There is no option to actually add a discount unless you use my approach. So we need to go to invoicing, click on invoices and actually click on new invoice. From here we need to select a customer or add a new customer, choose your race. So for example I will have Sarah T. And under item services, we can of course amend currency and also if we want to include VAT. To add an invoice line, click on add new row and select from drop-down list your product. So in my case, for example, I have health and safety book. Okay, click on add to invoice, but I want to provide a, let's say 10% discount. So I can add a text, discount 10% applied. So now you have an option. Either you can set up new item for 108 pounds, or you can actually create already applied discount line. To create a new row, click on add new row and then create new item. So in my case it will be discount 10%. I will say quantity 1, unit will be pieces, and in price line I need to actually add with negative symbol amount. Okay, item type I will put goods and I will click add to invoice. So now 10% will be added there. I can move above and I can add a text discount there. So now 10% been applied and our total amount will be 108 what customer will need to pay. You can add additional information, so for example delivery address or order reference or maybe invoice period. Otherwise you can leave it blank. Also we can attach files like support, documents or contracts if required. Select an invoice date, in my case it will be 15, and I can download or email to customer if I wish to, save as a draft, preview as PDF, or download and publish. So now I need to record this invoice on system. Okay, invoice has been recorded on system, and if I will scroll, this is preview of my invoice and I can see that there is health and safety book and also discount of 10% minus 12. So discount 10% applied and amount 108 is due. So this is the way how you can issue sales invoices with a discount on Bokio accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.